Okay, let's go to visual diagnosis of the eye. Number one, in TCM, the eyes are considered the window of the...
Shed.
Which organ is primarily said to open into the eyes?
Sliver.
Bright and
Uh,
sparkling eyes generally indicate
Strong skin.
strong
Shen.
shen. Galing. Difficulty maintaining eye contact is commonly associated with, if you have a patient, hindi siya makatingin sa iyo ng diretso, hindi siya makatingin sa mata mo, ano diagnosis mo agad? Or suspicion?
Heart-chi deficiency.
Yes, Heart-chi deficiency. Piercing and intense staring eyes, grabe. Tapos ikaw na lang lalayo. Ano ibig
Liver
sabihin?
Liver excess patterns.
Liver excess
Liver
patterns.
excess patterns.
Restless or darting eyes commonly indicate parang guilty, no? Okay. Ano diagnosis?
Heat.
Heat agitating the
Heat agitating the shell.
Blurry or matte eyes are often associated with
Liver phlegm.
Phlegm, obstructing
Obstructing the shell.
Tingnan mo yung dila niya, super laki. The pupil corresponds to which organ?
The pupil is kidney.
The iris corresponds to
the liver.
Sclera is mainly associated
with the lung.
Upper eyelid corresponds to
Upper eyelid spleen.
upper eye. Yeah. Red eyes most commonly indicate
Heat syndrome.
yellow discoloration of the eyes often indicates
Damp heat.
bluish tinge of the eyes may suggest
Cold.
greenish discoloration of the eyes.
Liver wind.
Liver wind. Styes commonly arise from, alam niyo stye, no?
Stye.
Wind
heat.
Wind heat. Internally generated heat affecting the eyes often comes from internally generated. Hindi mainit.
Internal stomach fire.
Stomach fire, very good. Mucus accumulation in the eyes is usually related to
phlegm.
Watery eyes may indicate
Liver imbalance.
liver imbalance.
Liver imbalance.
Which pathogenic factor commonly causes red swollen eyelids?
Swollen eyelids. Wind heat.
Dry eyes are commonly associated with dry eyes, natuyo.
With liver blood deficiency.
Yes. Poor night vision often reflects deficiency of, so you know what is poor night vision? Hindi ka makakita sa madilim. Kailangan nakakakita ka. Lalo na pag nag-brown, nag-block.
Liver pa din.
Liver and
or kidney.
liver blood or kidney yin deficiency. Dark circles under the eyes.
Kidney.
Kidney
deficiency.
Dull eyes without spirit. Yung mukhang malapit.
Without spirit.
Mukhang ang dami-daming problema.
Oh, severe.
Severe
deficiency.
Pale sclera commonly indicates
blood deficiency.
blood deficiency. Dry sclera commonly related to dry.
Dry is yin deficiency.
Very good. A very bright iris may indicate
excess heat.
very good. Trembling of the iris. Nanginginig-nginig pa.
Winto. External wind.
Internal wind. Dark discoloration in the iris.
Blood stasis.
Blood stasis. Dilated pupils. Chinek yung pupil, tapos dilated lang siya. Di ba tinitignan
Dilated
niya
lang
pag
yun.
pag medyo nakahiga ka na. Tinitignan.
Ah,
Buhay pa. Pag dilated yung pupils. Remember, the root of life,
is kidney
yeah, kidney
deficiency.
deficiency. So tingnan niyo yung, yung pag dilated, ibig sabihin, if you flash a light, ayaw sumara. Kailangan kasi, di ba, pag nisisilaw, lumiliit yung pupil. Constricted pupils naman, kahit hindi mo nilalight, maliit na siya. Ano ibig sabihin?
With heat
Ano ba
syndrome.
opposite ng patay? Yeah, heat syndrome. Buhay na buhay.
Ay,
Mainit na mainit. Unequal
bigla
pupil.
ng aso. Sorry.
Okay, unequal pupils is anisocoria. Hindi pareho yung
Unequal
ano
pupils.
ibig sabihin?
Internal
Internal
wind.
wind. Puffy eyelids. Puffy eyelids. Ang tagal. Puffy, medyo parang maga. Parang may tubig.
Ado.
Hmm? A? Uy, bakit wala kayong sagot?
Di ba kidney yan to?
No. Kidney fire.
Liver fire.
Numbness and spleen deficiency. Kidney fire yan eh, hindi naman drooping eyelids. Nagdo-droop yung eyelids niya. Ano ibig sabihin? Parating inaantok. Parating wala lang, parang malang kalatoy-latoy. Answer.
Chi deficiency.
Yes, chi deficiency. Twitching eyelids. Parating nagtitwitch. Remember my movement. Ano to? Uy, nasaan na kayo? Walang gustong sumagot.
Liver blood deficiency
Yes,
or
liver
wind.
blood deficiency or wind. Dark eyelids. Maitim yung
Dark eyelids is kidney deficiency.
yes. The inner
May ano ba?
canthus is associated with
With the heart.
yeah. So pag maputla, blood deficiency or heart blood deficiency. Pag masyadong mapula, heart fire. Redness of the okay, sabi ko na. Redness of the inner canthus.
Heart. Heart
Heart
fire.
fire. Outer canthus relates to outer na ha, hindi inner. The outer canthus relates to
Ay, yan, chan.
Anong klase?
Xiaoyang.
Xiaoyang. Redness of the outer canthus often indicates,
Xiaoyang heat.
of course, eyes with good shen.
Bright and focus.
Yes.
Bright and focus.
Lifeless
Baka
eyes.
na ba yung paliwanag to? No? Baka na-stress ha.
Lifeless eyes. Walang
Severe
kabuhay-buhay.
Lifeless
deficiency. Severe
Severe
deficiency.
deficiency.
Severe
Red painful
Liver
eyes.
deficiency.
deficiency.
Red painful eyes with irritability.
Liver fire rising.
Irritability.
Bitter taste commonly accompanies
Liver fire rising.
yes,
Fire
liver
rising.
fire rising. Floaters. Alam niyo floaters, no? Oh, maraming commonly associated
Yes.
with
Liver blood deficiency.
yes.
Liver blood deficiency.
Meron ako
Scanty
niyan dati
menstruation.
ngayon wala na.
Scanty menstruation.
Scanty. Liver blood deficiency.
Very good. Bloodshot eyes with pressure sensation. Pag pinrest mo yung mata, masakit.
Liver yang rising, doc.
Of course. Letter A. Photophobia. Ano man yung photophobia? Nasisilaw. Is commonly seen.
Sisilaw.
Oh,
Liver
liver
rising,
young.
Doc.
Liver young rising. Tinnitus or tinnitus.
Tinnitus.
Kidney yin deficiency.
Kidney yin deficiency. Yellow discharge from the eyes.
Yellow is damp heat.
Very good.
Hit the heat.
Sticky sensation in the eyes.
Sticky sensation. Damp heat
Heat.
ulit.
Damp
Damp
heat
heat.
pa rin. Which wheel corresponds to the heart in five-wheel theory?
To the heart. So it's the blood wheel.
Blood wheel. The chi wheel corresponds to
The G wheel. So lung.
lung. Wind wheel corresponds to
Liver.
liver. Water wheel.
Water. Kidney.
Flesh wheel.
Flesh with spleen.
Yes. Which diagnostic method is eye diagnosis part of? Saan siya na?
Inspections diagnosis.
Okay. Kung nakita mo marami ka nang nakita sa mata, di yun na, di ba? Sudden vision loss requires... Oh, may pasyente ka biglang nabulag. Anong gagawin?
Biomedical referral, Doc.
Yes. Severe eye pain is considered
A red flag symptom.
red flag symptom. Alam niyo anong glaucoma, no? Mataas yung intraocular
Yes.
pressure. Acute glaucoma symptoms require
Immediately biomedical referral.
yes. In TCM, the liver stores
The liver store blood.
healthy liver blood promotes
Clear vision.
clear vision. The kidneys provide
Essence and
Essence and
bean.
sunken eyes may indicate
Kidney deficiency.
yes, bright responsive eyes.
Healthy chi and blood.
Healthy and blood.
Chronic disease may manifest with
Dull eyes.
dull eyes. Okay, tingnan nyo, ang dami, sa mata pa lang, ang dami mo nang makikita. Bloodshot eye.
Bloodshot. Liver young. Rising.
Wind heat invasion commonly causes
Red eye.
red eyes. Toxic heat in the eyes may produce
Toxic.
Dryness and
Dryness and
inflammation. Which organ is most associated with tears?
Tears.
Liver.
Watery eyes exposed to wind suggest
Wood face involvement.
yes. The eyes as a whole are primarily related to
Liver.
liver.
Person staring inward, paloob, may have
Heart and liver chi stagnation.
very good. Heart chi deficiency may produce
Shyness and poor eye contact.
akala mo nahihiya lang. So check ka agad yung pulse.
Heart
Diba? Tingnan ka
deficiency.
agad yung dila. Overactive liver
Deficiency.
patterns may produce
Intense reduced
Intense.
flare.
yes. Heat agitating the shen.
Restless,
Restless.
frenetic eyes.
Frenetic eyes.
Phlegm obstructing the shen can make a person feel
Detached from the world.
okay, may sarili na siyang mundo.
Oo, may kinakaos mo sarili.
Which condition can cause redness of the sclera even without lung disease?
Any
Any
heat.
heat
Any heat
condition.
condition. Very good. Heat rises upward because it is
Young in
Heat,
nature.
Very
young
good.
nature.
liver wind is most associated with which eye color?
Green.
Galing. Which syndrome may produce spontaneous tearing? Bigla na lumuluha.
Liver
Liver
imbalance.
imbalance.
Liver imbalance. Imagine na pag na-correct nyo yan, ha? Grabe. Sleep in the corner
Gano?
of the eyes is usually related to
Phlegm.
phlegm.
Phlegm
The eyes reflect condition of the
Shed.
of the
shed.
pen.
Which organ is most associated with constitutional vitality in the iris?
Liver.
Liver. Dull iris commonly indicates
Liver blood deficiency.
galing. Slow pupil response.
So, Shen
Pen
disturbance.
disturbance.
Pale inner canthus.
Pale inner canthus. Blood deficiency.
Very good. Which symptom commonly accompanies kidney yin deficiency? Walang kamatayang kidney.
Night sweats.
Night
Night
sweat.
sweat.
Night sweat.
Vertigo commonly, kaya pag medyo may edad na, or kahit hindi pa masyadong matanda, pag pinapawisan sa gabi yan, kidney yin deficiency. Vertigo commonly accompanies
Liver yawn.
Liver
Rising.
writing.
red painful, kaya tumataas yung blood pressure minsan. No? So, ang ginagawa lang, binibigyan ng gamot para bumaba yung BP, but
Bawal sa may stress.
kailangan ayusin natin yung liver yang niya. Red painful eyes usually indicate
Excessive
Excess
Very good.
sleep.
dull, lifeless eyes. Reflect exhaustion of
Tree
TS
and
blood.
blood.
naubos din. Which organ system is associated with the sclera in five-wheel theory?
Sclera. Lungs.
Lung.
Lung. Flesh wheel. Flesh.
Flesh wheel. Eyelid.
Yes,
Eyelids.
ang galing. Gets nila. Sea of marrow.
Siyempre ano yan?
Sea
Brain.
of marrow is brain.
Yes. Chinese eye diagnosis should be integrated with
Full pattern differentiations.
mamaster natin to ha. Tuloy-tuloy to. Which organ houses the Shen?
The
Diba
heart.
heart?
Heart. The brightness of the eyes reflects
Mental,
Mental,
emotional
emotional state, and vitality.
and vitality.
kaya minsan nakangiti pero yung mata niya malungkot, no? Poor prognosis.
May be suggested by
Prognosis. Cloudy,
cloudy,
lifeless eyes.
lifeless eyes.
Mukhang malapit na. Eye diagnosis in
Ah.
PCM is primarily used to
To assess patterns of imbalance.
very good. Perfect ba kayo? Okay, perfect pala. Wow,
Yan talaga.
congratulations.
Number one talaga.
Galing. Okay. And the last